Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Cryptokip, and today we're going to be talking about a very interesting story. Are Crypto.com and Binance breaching sanctions? And if so, what are they doing about it? I'm going to talk about this. This is an interesting story today. We're going to dive deep into whether or not this is happening and kind of what this means for the market. As we are coming up into September, matter of fact, we are in September. And September, as we've talked about in previous videos, is bearish. But what does this news mean for crypto and these crypto exchanges? We're going to talk about that more in today's video. If you guys like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. By the way, when we hit 10,000 subscribers on this channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So make sure you're subscribed. Without further ado, let's check out the charts for the day. We are looking currently at a market cap of just under $1 trillion for the crypto markets. Bitcoin dominance still falling, Ethereum dominance hanging in there. The Ethereum merge is coming up here in the month of September. So that is something we have to look forward to, but a lot of people are afraid of a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Also, considering that September's bearish, doesn't look great for September, but we are in the accumulation phase, so keep that in mind. Bitcoin coming in at $20,000, Ethereum coming in at just under $1,600. FTX and Binance and Crypto.com, we've got Binance coming in at 277. We've got FTX token coming in at just above $25 at 26.26, and Cronos below 12 cents. So just out of the top 25 Cronos is. But what's going on in the market? What's some of the latest stories with the coin? Well, we talked about one yesterday. I want to touch on it real quick. Crypto.com walked out on a $500 million deal, but keep in mind they've got the Staples Center deal, but they backed out of a soccer team, major European league. And here's the deal. The reason they did it, this is just more clarity here on some of the recent news I come out with here, but the deal fell apart after Crypto.com team took legal advice regarding its discussions with national regulators in some key European countries, including France, the United Kingdom, and Italy, on how to obtain the proper licenses needed to operate according to the report. Now, here's an interesting thing. The United Kingdom, they've already got regulatory approval here, or at least they've been working on it. This is something they've been working on for a while. So my thought is it's probably more so France, because we've heard good things out of Italy and the United Kingdom. Now, France, I don't know about that. So my thought is France might be a little more strict on it. This is according to the Daily Hodl. So France might be a tough market for Crypto.com to enter. We're going to keep an eye on that one, see how it does. But this was a big deal. That being said, not really concerned that they missed out on the opportunity. They backed out of it. They made a choice. And I'm going to just assume it was an educated choice. They've done some great things here. Another big story for the day before I hop into a little bit why Binance and Crypto.com are dealing with a little bit of FUD lately is Elon Musk had a crypto video that played on South Korean government hacked YouTube channel. This is just an interesting story I want to show you guys. Apparently, a hacker got into the South Korean government's YouTube channel and posted a video about Elon Musk with some investing advice talking about crypto. Very interesting story for the day. I just want to share this one with you guys because this happens left and right. A lot of hacks going on across crypto. This was a very interesting one. Somebody wants to use Elon Musk to promote crypto, which isn't a huge mystery because obviously Father Dogecoin is Elon Musk. So I would assume it has something to do with that. They renamed the video SpaceX Invest. So very interesting. And these were fabricated videos of Elon Musk discussing cryptocurrencies. These are weird compilations. Very bizarre thing. We're in the Wild West, folks. But here's the big story for the day. the UK forces crypto exchanges to report suspected sanction breaches. Right now, Russia and Ukraine are still in a war. Not a lot of people are talking about it, which is very bizarre, specifically in the US. I don't know if you're overseas, but it's not being talked about that much. But there are some significant sanctions that have been done for Russia across the world. And given these sanctions, the UK and other countries want to make sure that crypto exchanges are compliant with these sanctions, and that these oligarchs, these Russian oligarchs, can't transfer crypto and hide their funds via cryptocurrency through these exchanges, right? And so UK and other governments want to make sure that these crypto exchanges aren't helping facilitate some of these sanction breaches. Because if they are, then that's not going to comply with regulation that well, right? And we know one thing about crypto. We know crypto will not exist unless they cooperate with regulations. And if they don't, then they're going to get attacked, unless they cooperate. Which is why it's good to see that CEO of FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, is visiting the White House, which is why it's good to see the Crypto.com is getting regulatory approval in Canada, in the UK, and in other countries. So that being said, Crypto.com has regulatory approval in the UK. This was a big story that came out recently. So this story is less about Crypto.com, and it is more about Binance. But the story is crypto exchanges must report suspected sanction breaches to UK authorities under new rules brought in amid concerns that Bitcoin and other crypto assets are being used to dodge restrictions imposed in response to Russia's invasion of Ukraine. And the official guidance was updated that on August 30th to explicitly include crypto assets among those that must be frozen if sanctions are imposed on a person or a company, right? This is talking about Russian entities, as well as digital currencies such as Bitcoin, Ether, Tether, crypto assets. It can include notionally valuable digital assets such as NFTs, right? Even NFTs. And so if you go through this article, you'll see they specifically call out Binance, which is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume. And they did say that Binance actually in April said that it had blocked accounts of relatives of Russian politicians, including a couple names here, daughter of a foreign minister, a couple other folks, a Putin spokesperson. So they're doing their part. This is an interesting story. I consider it, again, FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt, designed to drive these markets down in a bearish September, right? The media seems to kind of follow the fear, and that's what they're doing. But, we do not want sanction breaches. We aren't supporting this war. This war is not one that we want. Innocent people are dying. We don't want to see that, and we don't want funds to be supporting this war, right? And so this is good to see that the UK is forcing this, and I'm excited to see that Binance is the only one that's included in this, and even in that, Binance is being reported on generously here. But we know Crypto.com's got regulatory approval in the UK already, and so we know that they're going to be compliant too. So this is just another story to show you guys that Crypto.com, Binance, FTX, which is visiting the White House in America, these exchanges are compliant. These exchanges are driving crypto adoption. These exchanges are great investments. This isn't financial advice, but look at what they've been doing. Look at the progress these exchanges have made. Look at the stories that they're getting involved with. They're working with countries. These are basically banks now. If Charles Schwab, if Fidelity, you think of these big brokerage accounts that you can open up. You think of Chase. You think of all these other banks across the world. Crypto is slowly becoming one of those banks, right? I mean, they're slowly getting talked about just as a Goldman Sachs or something like that. So yes, Bitcoin might be below $20,000 today. Ethereum might be below $2,000 today. And Binance coin might be down a bit. FTX is down below $30. Cronos is down, at 11 cents. Guys, we're accumulating because we're watching the steps of regulatory adoption for cryptocurrency. These exchanges are complying. They're making sure that if there's a slap on the wrist, they apologize, they comply, they adjust, they edit. They get improved security features like you've seen with the SOC Type 2 security features that Cronos has recently gotten to improve the data that's being fetched for the users that download the app so that they're not giving away their data, right? And so that they're protecting their users more. The future's coming, and the future's looking very bright for these crypto exchanges. I'm very, very bullish on Cronos. I'm very bullish on FTX and Binance as well. Very good news, really, that comes out of this. These are scary stories, but these are positive stories when you dig down deep. That's all I got in today's video. I hope you guys like the content. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I got 3 videos coming at you guys every single day. We're doing a $1,000 Bitcoin giveaway when we hit 10K subscribers. I've also got $4,100 available for you guys if you sign up for Freepik using the link in the description down below. When you sign up for Freepik and open up a trade, you can get access to that. That's all I got. I'm Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, you got to remember to DCA HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.